Have you ever wondered that why same floral print looks completely different on cotton, satin, linen or organza? That's because fabric base plays a huge role. What are printed fabrics? Printed fabrics are textiles that have designs, artworks, patterns or motifs printed on it using different printing techniques. So these prints can be floral, geometric, abstract or even animal prints. So the first one is printed cotton fabric. Printed cotton is one of the most highly used fabric. It is soft, breathable, and airy. This fabric is perfect for summer seasons, and many outfits can be made using this fabric. You can stitch dresses, kurtas, shorts, bottoms, and many more. So the next one is printed linen. So printed linen has gained tremendous popularity in recent years. It's because it has this rich texture and it gives luxurious feel. Many things can be stitched using this fabric like shorts, cord sets, summer dresses and many more. This fabrics gives that rich and luxurious look. So the next one is printed satin. As you can see, this has glamorous look and it has a subtle shine on it which enhances the color and print of this fabric. You can stitch many things like evening gown, party wear outfits, saris, and many more. And if you're looking for a fabric for glamorous outfits, then this fabric might be perfect for you. Next one is printed rayon. This fabric is known for its comfort, breathability, and airy fabric. This fabric is comfortable and it is known for its drapes and feels very soft against the skin. This fabric is commonly used for dresses, tops, shirts, corsets, and many more. If you want comfort and breathability in one fabric, then this is the one. Printed mushroom or gajju silk. These fabrics are traditional fabrics and they have really elegant appearance. These fabrics are mostly used for festive wears or elegant outfits. You can stitch dresses, kurtas, or festive wear outfits using this fabric. If you want luxurious fabric, then this is the one. Next one is printed chinon. It is one of the most trending fabrics in ethnic fashion today. This fabric is soft, flowy, and it has this beautiful drape. Common use of this fabrics are saris, dresses, or flowy dresses. Something that is flowy, then this fabric is perfect for you. Dupatta fabric is known for its slub texture and royal appearance. This fabric is this fabric has texture which adds uniqueness to the outfit. Common uses of this fabric is jackets, lehengas, and festive garments. If you want to stitch something for your festive occasions, then this fabric is perfect for you. Next one is printed tissue. These fabrics have distinctive sheen and lightweight structure. This fabric is perfectly used for dupattas, saris, and many more. And if you want that particular metallic effect, then this fabric is perfect. To shop this amazing collection of printed fabrics, you can visit Saroj Fabrics stores in Mumbai, Khar and Borivali, Pune, Jaipur and Hyderabad. Or you can WhatsApp us on 99300 27480, or you can shop online on sarojfabrics.com.